Hello, this is Tony Marchese from Morse Data, and I'm here with Matt Grant,
Hi.
and we're looking at the new InOrder 9.2 digital distribution enhancement. And this allows products to be sent out over the internet instead of a physical shipment. Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah.
What kind of products does this work with? We could download to an iPad?
Yeah. This works with any digital file that you want to distribute. It'll support whatever the device itself supports. So for PC, Mac, iPads, Kindles, mobile phones, whatever the device itself will support, whatever file formats it will support, InOrder will support as well.
So in this first video, we're just going to try buying an ebook. What is it, an EPUB document?
Yeah.
The universal format for ebooks?
EPUBs are a common standard format for cross-device.
Is that like a PDF?
It's similar, different internal format, but it
does the same thing, yeah.
Right.
Okay, so let's pick an ebook and make a purchase.
All right. So we will browse our ebooks.
This is the default InOrder web cart.
We'll pick a EPUB file. And when we check out on the website, we follow through the normal checkout process, but when we're only purchasing digital products, we skip over a lot of the shipping info and ship to address.
So less steps to buy a digital product.
Right.
Can you mix a digital product with other physical products on the same order?
Yes. What will happen is the digital products will be put onto a different warehouse shipment, so they will carry on their own while your physical products go out just like they normally would.
So we just bought this book and charged our credit card.
Mm-hmm.
The credit card was saved because we already had an account set up with this website.
Right, and that allows you to skip that extra page while you're checking out.
Let's look at some pages. It's a book.
Yep.
And how does this book we can look at on an iPad? It goes into that bookshelf app that iPad has?
Yep.
Okay. So how does this order look in InOrder?
So if we pull up this last order that we just placed, we can pull up our order number.
Now we're in the InOrder desktop application.
So we pull up this order, we see our line item for our SQL Server book that we just purchased. One thing that's different between a standard order and a digital order is that we have this digital settings button now.
InOrder lookup.
Right. And this will allow us to manage some of the security and limitations, such as how many times the customer is allowed to download that product, when the download is good through, so what the expiration is.
Hey, that's our IP address.
That is our IP address. The IP address is logged, and we can then restrict the download to a single IP address, or to allow as many different IP addresses as try to download that link.
Okay, and there's a lot of different settings here for controlling downloads, looks like.
Yes, there is.
Where do these come from?
These will come from, the default values will come from the inventory item setup, and then the CSRs can manage them after then in that screen we were just in. So if we pull up.
So we're in the
SQL
inventory
Server
window now.
So we pulled up that item, the default values for maximum number of downloads, the download expiration, the allowed download for multiple IPs, required login, all these settings default from the inventory item setup.
Hey, can I see the general tab? This looks like the inventory window.
This is the inventory window.
Okay. And then down there we tell what group of the website it's in, ebooks, and we see the name of the product. What's on the e-shopping tab? This was the product that we just looked at. There's the description.
Yep, full web description, that it's available on web, etc.
And then let's go over to the digital settings tab, and There's a setting there, order required. What is that?
The order required setting allows digital assets to be downloaded without placing an order for them. So for example,
So a free product.
exactly. If we pull up this item, we see that required prepayment is not turned on and an order is not required. If we pull up this product online, we can see that we have a download button rather than an add to cart button, and clicking that will take us directly to the download page and allow us to download this product immediately.
That's neat. Well, this concludes our initial look at InOrder digital distribution enhancement. And next time we're going to look at different ways of grouping files that are digital assets available for sale in the database. Thank you.